In this video today we will see how to fix if the Wi-Fi icon or any other icons such as Bluetooth is missing from the quick panel settings of your Samsung phone. If I scroll my screen from the top and if I open this quick panel settings, I don't have Wi-Fi icon anywhere here. So if I have to bring it back, then what I will do, I will tap on these three dotted icons here, go to this option button order, and if you see there is Wi-Fi icon here at the top. So what I need to do is I need to tap and hold, and I have to drag this Wi-Fi icon from here to this area. So let me do it and select done. So once I have done this one, if I scroll my screen from the top again, now in this case you will be able to see the Wi-Fi icon here. Similarly, you can bring back any other features if it is missing from this quick panel settings. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.